Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You must be wondering what have I been doing for the past few weeks, and that's because I tried making some videos but for some reason they couldn't work properly. So now I'm gonna tell about bacteria this unit. I'm gonna be making 4 videos for microorganisms. This video I'll be doing bacteria. Stay tuned to watch. Classifying prokaryotes. Everyone should know what prokaryotes are. They're unicellular organisms that lack a nucleus. Until recently, all prokaryotes were classified into one category, monera. Now, scientists are classifying it into 2 vastly different categories, eubacteria and archaeobacteria. Each group is considered a kingdom, but biologists now think that the split between the two is so ancient and so fundamental that they should be called domains, even higher than the kingdom. Eubacteria. Eubacteria is the larger of the 2 kingdoms. This includes a range of organisms with different lifestyles. Eubacteria live almost everywhere, from hot springs to the deepest trench in the ocean. Eubacteria have a cell wall that contains peptidoglycan, a carbohydrate. Archaeobacteria. Archaeobacteria look very similar to eubacteria, but they are different chemically. Archaeobacteria lack the peptidoglycan and also have different membrane lipids. Also, DNA sequences of key genes are more of those of eukaryotic cells. Archaeobacteria live in very harsh environments like thick mud, extremely salty waters, hot springs, etc. Heterotrophs. Most heterotrophic bacteria must take in organic molecules for both energy and carbon. These are chemoheterotrophs. An example of this is humans. A smaller group of heterotrophic prokaryotes are called photoheterotrophs. These organisms are photosynthetic, but they need to take in organic compounds as a carbon source. Autotrophs. Some autotrophs, like photoautotrophs, use light energy to convert carbon dioxide and water to carbon compounds and oxygen in a process similar to that of green plants. They stay in sunlight-rich areas. Other prokaryotes that can perform chemosynthesis are called chemoautotrophs. They do not require light as a source of energy. Instead, they use energy from chemical reactions involving ammonia, hydrogen sulfide, nitrate, sulfur, or iron. Importance of bacteria. Bacteria are vital to maintaining the living world. Some are producers that capture energy by photosynthesis. Others are decomposers that break down the nutrients in dead matter and the atmosphere. Still, other bacteria have human uses. Decomposers. Every living thing depends on the raw materials to continue living. If this was to stop, there would be no life left. As decomposers, bacteria help the environment to recycle nutrients into the ground so that all organisms can share the simple molecules. They also help in sewage treatment by taking the complex molecules and make them into simpler ones. Nitrogen fixers. Plants and animals need nitrogen to survive, and since about 80% of the atmosphere is nitrogen, they should be fine, right? No, they can only use ammonia or other compounds to do this. Certain bacteria can transform this into ammonia, and they have symbiotic relationships with plants. The plants supply the bacteria with whatever, and the bacteria gives the plant with nitrogen. Human uses of bacteria. Bacteria are used for so many things, like food and beverages. Bacteria can be also used for industry. Petroleum can be digested into helping clean oil spills. Some bacteria can remove waste products from poisons from water. Others can mine minerals out of the ground. Thanks for watching, everyone. As always, please stay tuned for my new videos, and please be sure to subscribe and like. My next video will be called Microorganisms Part 2. That one will be about viruses. This one was about bacteria. After Part 2, I'll be making Part 3 about fungi and Part 4 about protists. Stay tuned.